without you. Here in my soul I'd feel dear, only emptiness. Without you, I will have nothing left to dream about. Without you, life wouldn't be the same life that I live with you. Without you, even when golden sun will look so gray. Without you, but now just hold me. No, don't be afraid. And hold me tighter. Show me your care, and I will love you now and ever. 'Cause I just can't be living without you. All I know, I feel like I could fly up there when I'm with you. 'Cause with you, and with you only I've got a dream to dream. Hold me now, and let me feel how much really love me too. How I wish there's this sweet moment, dear, will never end when I'm with you. I feel my heart, dear, beating fast to death. Now please just hold me and don't say a word. And I will love you now and ever. 'Cause I just can't be living without you. Say you're mine, now that I really feel you here inside my soul. To be with you is all I need and all I'm living for. You and I are meant to be together eternally. You and I, what else could never mean to happiness? And now just hold me, stay close to me, and hold me tighter, more than you can. And I will love you now and ever, because this life, my dear love, I just could never live now without you.